Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video of Crypto Trigger. Today I'm gonna do some Bitcoin analysis, some Ethereum analysis, and I'm gonna talk about a new project called Mobifi, what's all about green mobility services. Welcome everyone, and now we start the Bitcoin analysis. So we had a significant drop of almost 10% the last 10 days, so that was kind of heavy. And now I brought this pattern out here. And we had a nice bounce, already almost as 7% from this upper line here. What I basically did is I connected all the highs here and also here and maybe here as well if it's going to touch. But I did the same with the underline, or I connected it here and there. You can also connect it like this, but I don't like it that way. I like it more like it's like this. So where to look at? Here we have this doji. We had also on the Ikenashi. You see, this is normally for when the trend is going to reverse. You see this everywhere. Like, let me check. Here, for example. Here, for example. And here. That's when the momentum is going down and maybe there's a trend reverse. So we had this here as well, and it was on the bottom of this pattern, and we had a bounce. So that's the Ikenashi. Well, I also have this, the volume profile, VPVR. This is saying to me that we should have room to go up here around this 60k level, and it could also react as big resistance, and that's where we should watch out for. So it could go up like this and breaking out and then falling down again, and that could be bad. But this could also mean that we could go up and have support on this 61k level and maybe go up again, something like this. But this is only when we break out, so we also can make this move now and go down and maybe go even down to this level 54k, sorry. And this could be also an option, like if you take this MAs and go like that. You see also we're meeting up around this 61k level. So the 61k level is really important at the moment. Keep that in mind. As support or resistance, it's an important level now. If you look here also, let me take this one away. Yeah, you see here, this is the 60k, 61k level. Let's make that yellow. So we have here a lot of support and resistance. And even if we do it in a 1 day, we see that it was resistance back then here. So that's an important level at the moment. And yeah, can you see here also on the daily? That's why I didn't have this amaze with me here when I was drawing this, but when you just follow these patterns, here is the 100 MA. So this could be mean that this could be the bottom for this pattern, or even go up and a little bit go down even up to the 50k, but that's for later. But yeah, you see here this 100 MA, 50 MA, and we are in this channel at the moment. So if we break out, that would mean that we go more up and should have this 61k level as support. Let me check the 1 hour. Yeah, watch out for maybe on the 1 hour that we break out and break out here and go back. That is also an option. Yeah, what I also want to say is I saw this in the last couple times here on the chart, and yeah, that's basically what the stochastic does, but I just wanted to show you. I'm gonna set everywhere a vertical line where the stochastic was very low, and we're going to check what it did. Here and here. So every time when the stochastic, this is the stochastic, you can find this one up here and type stoch, and you will see it here. And you have also the stochastic RSI, but I use only for now in this video I use the stochastic. So every time when it is down, let's place that one of the good spot. This is the last candle here, and we go up. Here the same. We have the lowest part. We have here a little bit too early, but when you look at the chart and take that place and wait for the moment, and we go up again. Here the same. You have here also, here was also too early, so you wait. See this doji, this one. Oh, sorry. Where are we at? At this doji here, this doji. So you wait, and you buy it on the doji, and you make this little move up. Here the same. Also here it was a little bit too early, last candle, so we take it on the lot and the one was turned green, and then we go up. For here the same. Last candle was too early, was the red candle, next one is green, so we go up. For here the same. Last candle was wet, and in the sorry, you can here, yeah, you also here on the stochastic was very low, and next candle is green, we go up. That's the kind of tactic I found out here with stochastic. I want to give it you that for free, so do what you want with it and have fun, play around with it, but this really helps me on the 4-hour chart. So it doesn't have the same effect on the 1 hour, because we have a lot of more dips in the stochastic here. So, but for me, it works perfectly on the 4-hour chart. So keep in mind, guys, the 61k level is important for support or resistance. And if we go down, watch the 57k level or 57,500 level for a possible bounce. That will be around here. Yeah, around here. So, and also check this. Could also be a nice bounce here. So if this doesn't hold, don't be surprised to see the 54k level or even the 50k level, because it's in the cards. We see it also on the daily. You see it here. We have the 100 MA here, so keep that in mind. It's now on the 53,000, but it could be in time on 54,000. So keep in mind it's still an impossible thing what could happen if I set here the 54,000 level. You see here also we have here support. Oh, and don't forget to join our Discord. The link is in the description. So if you join, you will come to this place. Click on this emoji here and you will be fine. You'll get the role and you will be able to see all our channels. If you don't know how to do, just ask us here and we will help you in the verification chat. But you will be here verify to find this one here. If you see all channels, you will see that we have our Twitter is linked to our Discord. So if you want to be up to date with our Twitter, you can just check our Discord because it's linked. We do the giveaways here. We have some chat, so you can chat with the other people. Over here we have news. So last couple times we had some Ethereum news, some Polka City news, and now UOB has this 8th anniversary. So we post that here. So, and we also, if you want to join your own country and you want to talk with your own people, you can join here. If your flag is not here, just let me know. I will put it in there. So, for example, I have here the Dutch chat where I come from, and here you see all people Dutch talking. So, we also have here the VIP chat and the VIP sections. When you're VIP, you can see this channels, and we also have the VIP coaching also for the VIPs only. And if you have a problem, just make a ticket here, and all will be fine. Here you can buy the VIP. Yeah, that's for the auto trading. That's for if you want to take our signals automatically. Here we post our signal profits, and here you can take some lessons if you want to. I do one-on-one lessons together with Joram. So let me know and we can start something up. And yeah, you can introduce yourself. So this is the Discord. Join us and have a good time. And now we're going over to Ethereum. So what is Ethereum doing? Ethereum had a correction, and we went to the 4K level. We didn't go to the 3900, but I told you guys it was oversold here, and the stochastic was also low. So this could be the bottom. I told you that. So we went up, and now as you see the volume profile on the right side, we had here this perfect. It bounced perfect on this resistance line. So what I think could happen for Ethereum at the moment is that we go down like, sorry, let me take this one way. So we could go something like this or something like that. But this level here, that's important. So where you have to watch for is the 4,300 level for an bounce from that. And if we can bounce from it, and we go through with the support line here, I should watch this level 4,150, and maybe we bounce from that. But also is here the 200 MA on the 4 hour, and we bounced above the 200 MA at the 4 hour, what's kinda good. So wait, let me take this one away. Yes, so what's kinda good, if we hold support on this at 200 MA, we bounce from it, we could go back to these levels again. So we just have to hold this area here, and we just going to compress this 50 MA and the 200 MA and this triangle here. So I hope it gets supported and we go back to the 100 MA 4500 and maybe get rejected from that. Yeah, that's, and also the stochastic is now very high, so it could be that we first do the drop and then go back up and we see another leg. There was also a bullish divergence on this one, on the RSI, because if you take this low with this other low, you could see that this one was the divergence and we bounced from that, so that's good. Normally when this happens on the bottom, that's a good sign. And when we can now push through these lines here, we just did, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. This is good for Ethereum. If we can hold here, this is so important because all these points what I thought out, they come out all around this 200 MA on the 4 hour. They all want to go up, or do you want to test this zone here? If we could hold this, we could go much more up, and 5,000 is no problem for Ethereum. Mobifi. Mobifi is a project all about traveling green. Mobifi.io is their website, so check that out. I will put that link in the description. And yeah, what is Mobifi? So Mobifi supports you to travel green. That's what they do. So they have their own wallet, and with this wallet you can pay parking tickets, for example, or travel with the train or bus, or take the tram. It doesn't matter. All things what has to do with mobility and traveling, they will fix that with their app, and you will earn rewards by choosing sustainable support options. That will mean that if you travel green, they will support you and give you rewards for that in NFTs or cashbacks or other stuff. So that's really cool. Yeah, this is how the app will look like. You have here some payments, wallet, you see the wallet, and rewards, so you get rewarded for that. Also you see badges and NFTs, so that is really cool. Yeah, and you have here also the roadmap, and you see here what they already have done. So yeah, the Apple Google Play will come out soon. So also have here this one. Yeah, you see here they all focus on the screen stuff. So definitely check that out. And if you're Dutch, they will launch this all in the Netherlands. So definitely check this out when you're Dutch. And they will also going to do this in Europe and further on, but they will start in the Netherlands. So yeah, you join the community. So if you're interested, you definitely can join the Telegram. They are more active in the Telegram group than in the Discord. That was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.